Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we explore the amazing benefits of nature's superfoods. Today, we're talking about one of the most powerful healing foods on the planet, beetroot. Beetroot is a superfood that's packed with a ton of nutrients and health benefits that you may have never heard of. In this video, we'll be diving into the various benefits of beetroot, including how it can help lower blood pressure, improve digestion, and boost athletic performance. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn about the amazing powers of beetroot. What is beetroot? Beetroot, also known as beetroot or simply beets, is a root vegetable that's been used for centuries in traditional medicine practices around the world. It's a great source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, potassium, and manganese. But what makes beetroot truly special is its high concentration of nitrates. Nitrates are compounds that the body converts into nitric oxide, a molecule that helps to dilate blood vessels and improve blood flow. Benefits of beetroot: lowers blood pressure. Studies have shown that consuming beetroot can help lower blood pressure levels in people with hypertension. The nitrates in beetroot are believed to be responsible for this effect by increasing the production of nitric oxide, which helps to relax and widen blood vessels. Improves digestion. Beetroot is rich in fiber, which is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system. It can help prevent constipation, promote regular bowel movements, and improve overall gut health. Boosts athletic performance. The nitrates in beetroot also have a positive effect on athletic performance. They can help to increase blood flow to muscles, improve oxygen uptake, and reduce fatigue. Several studies have shown that consuming beetroot juice can improve exercise performance and increase endurance. Thanks for tuning in to learn about the amazing benefits of beetroot. We hope this video has inspired you to add this healing superfood to your diet. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness content. See you in the next one.